Alright, so we have this out of the glue up right now. It's all dry, so we're not working with the wet wood anymore. It's dried up, and we were going to go ahead and give this another plane, get this all sanded down, and then go ahead and make the dado cuts on the bottom for the shelf brackets.
Here, Tim is just squaring up the corners. So we cut these dado slots just so these shelf brackets will fit in there a little bit better. Here, we're using the same water-based stain that we've used for a number of projects in the past.
Alright, so we didn't like the last stain that we threw on there. It was coming out kind of red and purple, so we went to get new stain. Hopefully this will look a little bit more what we're looking for. But yeah, let's get going.
Constantly wants to play fetch. Don't you? You want to play fetch, huh? Always.
We're going to throw a few layers of this clear coat on just to really preserve the nice finish. Alright, so our stain and clear coat is all dried up on the shelf, as well as the paint and clear coat is all dried up on this rack. Everything's looking really awesome. We pre-drilled 6 holes in the shelf so we can get this rack screwed in. We're going to be doing that next, and then this thing's about done. I didn't want to hang this up and put holes in my wall since it's just going to be going to a friend, but here's the finished product. We think this turned out really nice. Let us know in the comments down below if you'd like to see us make more projects like this in the future. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.